Hello everyone, welcome to TYBSc Botany. Myself, Professor Vikrant Chandan Shive. Today we are discussing about the TYBSc syllabus and papers. Your syllabus is divided into 4 different papers: paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3, and paper 4. So my paper is forms and functions. So let's start the syllabus of the paper forms and functions. It divided into 4 different units. Unit number 1, cytology and the molecular biology. In a cytology, we study the cell organelles, and molecular biology, we study the DNA and the RNA. In this, the structure and the function of nucleus and the structure and the function of vacuoles, both are deals with study under cytology. The structure and the function of gene chromosomes, the genetic codons, characteristics of genetic codons. There are several characteristics of genetic codons. Next, translation in prokaryotic and eukaryotic system. There are different process and also mechanism is different in prokaryotic and the eukaryotic. Next, unit number 2, plant physiology. In this plant physiology, the main concept is that it is not actually physiology, it is somewhat like a biochemical concept. That is the water relation, that is the how the plant and water, they are correlated with each other, that is by means of water potential, osmosis, transpiration, and the concept of immersion. Next, solute transport. The transport of ions across the cell membrane, active and passive transport, carrier, channel, and pump. All these included in a types of transport system. The solute that in a form of any ions or the molecules. Next, translocation of solute. In this, the composition of phloem sap, Girdline experiment. Next, pressure flow model include, or it is to be known as Munch hypothesis, phloem loading and unloading mechanisms, anatomy of sieve tube elements, and the mechanism of sieve tube's translocation. Next, mineral nutritions, that is the role of macro and micronutrients in a plants and physiological functions of those minerals, and also included if any deficiency of these minerals that leads to any symptoms of plants. Next, unit 3, environmental botany. In this, the bioremediation definition, a principle of bioremediation, factors responsible for the bioremediation, and how the microbial population help in the bioremediation process. Next, phytoremediation. By using plants, we can remove metals or toxic product or organic pollutant from the soil by using plant. It is to be called phytoremediation. Next, plant succession. There are 2 types of succession is there, that is hadrols and zeros, which includes different parameters and stages of succession. Last 2, climax and monoclimax and polyclimax theories. Unit number 4 is a plant tissue culture. Aspects of the macropropagation with a reference to floriculture, that is we use the micropropagation for the cultivation of orchid plants. Next, cell suspension culture for the production of secondary metabolites, that is Chicotinin production. It is a secondary metabolite which mainly involves in a different biomedical purposes. Somatic embryogenesis and the artificial seeds. Next, protoplast fusions and somatic hybridization. Concept definitions, various methods of protoplast fusions, applications of somatic hybridization in agriculture. In these, the somatic hybridization and somatic embryogenesis both are the different concepts. Thank you.